Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid Ali Haider, your real estate partner here in Istanbul, Turkey. Today we are going to record another very beautiful and lucrative video for those who are always asking me one very common question, that after getting Turkish citizenship by real estate investment, if we want to move our family here in Istanbul, Turkey, how we will be earning our bread and butter? What kind of business we can start? Do you have an option? And honestly speaking, we have many options, but among them, construction business is always a lucrative option. But people don't have experience in construction, even they don't know the culture and the language, so they cannot start construction business here in Istanbul, Turkey. But in today's video, we are going to give you a big opportunity to start your construction business with the government. In this video, my colleague is Mr. Taha Doğan. Hello, Mr. Taha, how are you?
Mr. Sajid Ali, thank you very much.
I'm thankful for you for being here and giving me such a special occasion to express the big opportunity for my investors. So the first question is, I know that you have a big opportunity for my investors. So what is this big news you have in your stores for my audience and for my investors?
We can say it to urban transformations.
Urban transformation.
Turkish meaning is kentsel dönüşüm. Demolish the old buildings and build the new ones.
Okay.
Why we need this?
Okay.
First question is this.
Yeah.
In Turkey, we have buildings at their age 30, 40, 50.
Okay.
We have to demolish and start new construction.
Okay.
And governor office work with big companies. They has many thousands of apartments built new. They have no time. At the little areas, we governor office work with little companies. They are not little, maybe special companies like multi-milk.
Like multi-milk. Thank you.
Government give contract to small contractor and give money. Contractor will build this building. We not need silent. We have money. We will work with governor office. You earn money and you have no risk.
So in simple words, if I tell my audience in simple words that in Istanbul, there are a lot of old buildings.
Yes.
So every building has its own building age. Some of them will be demolished in 30 years, some in 40 and some in 50. So I came to know that there are more than 200,000 buildings which need reconstruction. So under this urban restoration or reformation, government is going to
Directly support this project.
reconstruct all these buildings.
Yes.
So for this purpose, government is supporting them.
Of course.
Yani-
They first aim urban transformation in Istanbul.
So under urban transformation,
A few years later, when we will come to the Istanbul, you see in everywhere
new buildings.
new buildings, new
So
apartments.
now they are going to demolish all the old buildings and they want to start new construction.
Yes, exactly.
So what is our role in this urban transformation? For example, what is the role of multi-mulk?
Special point is this. Multi-Mulk will do this urban transformation.
Okay.
We will contract with all owners, demolish the apartment, and then we will continue contract with government, governor office. They will give us guarantee money, and you will be investor. Work with us. You will earn good money, easy money, and have no stress.
So it means
When
there
you
are
will start to work in the Turkey, first job is very important. You have to work with special constructions. This special construction is multi-milk.
Thank you. So it means we are going to make a contract with the current owner of the apartment of a building.
Yes.
We will make a contract that we are going to reconstruct your building. After making that contract with the current owners, we will go to the government, to the governor office. We will make another contract with the governor office. So in that situation, the current owner will be paying us 40%
We
of
will
the
do
construction.
all this contract with notary.
And-
Governor office, we will deal with them. They
Okay.
stamp the contract and we will continue.
So after this contract, government office, yani governor office will be giving 60% cost of construction,
Yes.
and approximately 40% will be paid by the current
For
owner.
each apartment, governor office support to 1.8 million Turkish liras.
Okay, for each apartment.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
When you build a new apartment, you need 2.4 million.
So if the apartment size is, for example, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1,
100
they will be
square
giving
meter.
100
Generally
square.
2 plus 1, 3 plus
Yani
1.
if the apartment size is 100 square meter in gross, government will be giving 1.8 million lira
For
and
support you.
for supporting the
Your
current owner.
company, yes.
And how much will be paid by the current owner?
Totally 3 million Turkish liras.
3 million. It means 1.2 million we will
From
be getting
governor
from the,
office, 1.2 million from all the owners.
from the current owner. So here we will be getting like 3 million lira and we will be starting construction. So roughly, for example, if the construction cost is 2 million, so 1 million will be the profit.
Yes. Minimum 40%. For this
40%
job.
is-
maximum 50%.
50%.
You will benefit for this job.
So here actually there are two opportunities. The first opportunity is if someone is having money, he can buy that old apartment or he can buy that old building,
Yes.
and then he can make a contract with us and we can renew or reconstruct that building with the support of the government.
Yes.
So if he has
Exactly.
old apartment and old building with the financial support of the government, he can get the new building or new apartment. And also he has another
Government is
opportunity.
happy, investor is happy, all people is happy.
And we are
this
happy.
job.
Of course, we are making money. And if how will be the investor happy? Yani how it is a big news for the people who want to start this construction business. Everyone can start this business.
We can explain like this. When you come to the Turkey, you want to start a new job. When you build a new apartment, you spend your money, you will wait silent and customers. When you sell your apartment, after then you think again, how can I do for new job? At this job for urban transformation, governor office directly support you. You just build and give old people. They still stay same way. You not need silent, you not need customers.
So
You
what I understand that government construction companies like Imlak Kono, Toki, Kiptash, they are very much busy to construct big
Yes.
projects. So that's why
They will build
they don't want to
districts, 1,000, 2,000
apartments,
projects.
yani big buildings.
Yes.
So they don't have time to start this small buildings construction. So that's why they are giving private contract to the private construction companies.
At this point, governor office wants special construction. Of
Okay.
course, they not work with all of them.
Okay.
When they search your financial statement, finances information, they will work with you.
Okay.
And then when governor office trust to you, investor again trust you, all these people trust to you.
Okay.
Investor pay to money, you build the apartments,
Okay.
governor office pay your money, every people earn money and take benefit from it. Yeah.
So if, for example, the apartment price is, the construction cost is 2 million for one apartment, 100 square meter. If any building has 10 apartments, it means we need 20 million lira for the whole construction.
Yes.
So if someone start this construction business, does he need 20 million lira? Or he
No,
can start,
we not need. For start time, we have to 8 million Turkish liras.
yani to start this business, we need only 8 million lira.
8 million lira for 10 apartments, 100 square meters of each apartment.
But the total cost is 20 million.
20.
How we will get other 12
Best
million?
option is this. When you start to this apartment, all the owners give you 1/3 price. Maybe each one give you 500,000 Turkish liras.
Okay.
Think 10 apartment, they will give you 5 million. Again, governor office give you extra 5 million. With investor give you 8 million. When you start to this job, you have how much money you have?
So it means if you want to start one construction project, you need only $200,000 to start it. When you start construction, the current owner will pay you money,
Yes.
and after some time, government will pay you money. And as you start construction,
With
going
all this
up,
money.
up, so you will be getting money
When
from
you
that.
will continue and complete maybe 30%.
Okay.
Again, you will take 1/3,
Second
1/3.
installment,
Second
and then
installment.
third installment, and finally when you hand over the apartment, you will be getting the full money.
Yes.
So how long it will take to construct this one complete building and to hand over to the owners?
When you start and give the case, average 8 months.
8 months. Yani in 8 months.
Very short time.
So
Because
very short time, of course.
governor office support you for financial, for law, for everything.
Yani there won't be any problem for getting approvals from the Beletier, and there won't be any problem with the other documentation.
You think your partner is very important. Who's your partner? Governor
Government.
office.
The governor office.
They directly help you. They want you have to finish in 8 months. When you finish at this time, they will happy. All these people happy.
But I have very important question. We start with $200,000, but the project will be maybe more than roughly $2 million cost will be the total of the building. But maybe the total cost of the building is, let's suppose, 1.5 million. If the current owner or the governor office, they don't give you money, you cannot make progress in the building. So how much it is secure that if we do not get the money from the governor office or the current?
There is a simple answer. When you start the contract, write everything in there. When we will start to it, all the owners give you 1/3 money.
Okay.
After that, when you deal with owners, you will go to the governor office. They sign and stamp this contract. They give you this guarantee, I will pay your money. When you start, continue, maybe 30% you will complete. After that, 60% I will give you second installment. When you finish,
So everything will be
complete
written in the
everything,
contract.
I will give you all money.
But if the governor, honorable governor, if he changes, if he left his office and there is a new governor in the office, so he say, okay, this was the policy by the,
This is not politic project. This is governor project.
okay,
Because they have to change and renewable their building.
okay, so
There is earthquake in Istanbul, right?
it won't make any difference if the person is changed, because you are making the contract with the government.
You work with government.
Okay.
You not work minister. You not work with special people's work officer in government.
Okay, my next question is that if someone is ready to give $200,000 as an investor, because he cannot do this business by himself, because he is not a architect, he doesn't have any company, and to start construction you must have an architect. So in that situation, if he just want to give the investment to us or to someone who
How
is
can
doing
they
this business-
trust us?
Yeah, how can they
How
trust?
can
Yeah.
we relax?
Yeah.
They have best two options. First one, Multimilk is special project. Second one, I am lawyer in Turkey. We will help them in law information and econometric information.
Okay.
When they text to us, email, WhatsApp, and when they call us, we will send them all information files to them.
Okay.
And they can see financial statement.
Okay.
When they think we will do, in their opinion, we can do this, we will give all information, sign and prepare all.
So we will make them partner into the company, or we will make only notarized contract?
They contract with company.
So there will be a contract between an investor and the company.
They see their contract in notary.
Okay, so it will be a
It
notarized
is
contract.
official contract, not just signed.
Okay.
Governor office again see this.
So in that contract, what will be written? What will be the condition that we get this money from the investor? So how much we will be giving him back? How much return he will be getting? How much his capital investment is safe and secure? In business, there is always a chance for profit and loss. If there is a loss, who will be responsible for that investor money?
The best answer is this. Before you reply your questions, I want to explain to this. We will manage this process.
Okay.
They can see their details, financial data every week and we have a meeting every month together. They see all information in here.
Okay.
They not pay money to company. They give us deposit money and governor office see this money, they will contract with us.
Okay.
Maybe investor not contract with governor office directly, but they contract with us, we contract with governor office.
Okay.
Investor maybe second way contract with governor office.
Okay.
Governor office of course know who pay this money.
So the investor will be all secure.
Yes.
There won't be any chance of scam or losing money.
We not say these people wait 8 months after then we will give your money. You can see all steps.
Okay.
When you pay any money to workers, iron or other things,
Then we can share the financial statement with them.
of course they
that
can
this
see
money
everything
Okay.
in receipt. We
So
will send them.
He will be partner with the company according to the percentage.
And then I want to give this information. When you give money to us for investment, after then finish this job, you will take your own money. Totally
Okay.
money you will take.
Okay.
After then we will calculate how much money we will benefit.
Okay.
40% is investor, 40% is construction,
And 20% for the company.
Yes.
Okay, I got it. So if, for example, someone is looking for this opportunity and they want to make investment with us, so how they can contact us?
They can text or mails. They can call us. We will send all information, all files to them.
So
After that,
if they want to have a meeting with you, will you be
of course,
be
when they
available?
want, we will.
You are a
give
busy guy,
information.
maybe you won't be available for the meeting. So I'm just asking you right in front of the camera that you will be available for the meeting.
This is special company. All people want work with you. What you need, we can give all information to you. We just want legal money, legal opportunity, legal construction, and have too much benefit.
Thank
Our
you so much.
motion is very simple. Just smile, just invest, just Turkey.
Oh, mashallah. Just smile, just invest, just Turkey. Wow.
3G is more simple.
Thank you so much. I will be recording 2 more videos, one in English and one in Urdu for my other audience. In those videos, I'll be explaining this whole process step by step because it was a question and answer session and maybe it is not understandable easily. So in my next videos, I'll be explaining it in English as well as in Urdu for you people. Keep watching our videos for your next investment. Thank you, Tahavi.
Thank you very much.